Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to look sugar intake in MyFitnessPal. So to do that guys, you need to have an account for sure in this app, and also you need to launch the app. And also, as a note, this app you can get from the Play Store and the App Store, and also from another source that your device supports. Alright, so once you launch the app, I just want you to go into diary from here. So tap on it. And right here, I want to make sure that you already pick some meals for the breakfast, for the lunch, and also for the dinner and snacks if you want to pick snacks. So for example, to pick some food or for the breakfast, you just need to go to the breakfast section right here, and then scroll into you can see add food. So tap on add food, and you can add food just from the suggestions from here, or you can go to the voice log and you can say the food that you want to add. And also you can add it by scan a barcode or scan the meal itself, and also you can add it from a quick add feature right here. So once you're finished, you just need to scroll down all the way down here. You can see nutrition right here. So you just need to tap on it, and right here, as you can see, you will be able to log the sugar intake. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.